Hello, I'm Kate from katescott.co, and in this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Squarespace e-commerce shop to ConvertKit so that you can set up an automated post-purchase email sequence. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Squarespace site and click on Settings in the menu here. Click on Advanced, and then select Developer API Keys. And you're going to click to generate a new key. You want to name your key something that you can easily recognize. So I'm going to name it ConvertKit. Then check Orders and Read and Write. And then generate your key. You're going to copy the key and then go over to ConvertKit and click on Automations. And then over here on the right hand side, you're going to click on Integrations. Choose Squarespace from the list. And when you get to this page, I already have a Squarespace and ConvertKit integration set up. So you're not going to see disconnect the integration. Instead, you're going to see a place where you can paste in that API key that you just generated. And then you can choose to sync Squarespace and ConvertKit. So it's really straightforward from this point out. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and actually create the post-purchase email sequence. So to do that, click on Sequences. Choose to create a new sequence. You can name the sequence. So I'm going to call this post-purchase sequence. And then you can build out your sequence. And once your sequence is all built out and live, you can go over to Automations, create a new automation, and then choose Purchase as your trigger. Select the Squarespace integration, and then you can choose the product that you want that particular sequence to apply to. So you can create a different sequence for each product if you want to. And then you would just click Add Event, and then you can add your email sequence here. So you would just click the plus button and then choose your email sequence from the drop-down menu. And it's really that simple. So now you have a fully realized post-purchase email sequence that goes out to customers who purchase that product.